This is the CE course from Woodfold Manufacturing of Forest Grove, Oregon. Sleek and secure, how accordion and rolling counter doors enhance design. In this one-hour course, we will explore how accordion doors, hardwood rolling counter doors, and space-saving doors can help design professionals create a secure and elegant space. We discuss design strategies, ADA compliance, LEED V4 credits, and how these doors can benefit building occupants and owners. Finally, we review case studies, design challenges, and how to achieve successful outcomes using these effective doors. After today's presentation, participants should be able to discuss how to integrate accordion doors as space management tools for residential and commercial projects and how they can benefit building occupants, describe how accordion doors and hardwood rolling counter doors can help design professionals create a secure and elegant workspace, review door options for space management, ADA compliance, durability, and aesthetic appeal for building occupants and owners, explain how rolling counter doors using FSC certified wood may contribute to LEED V4 and how doors can contribute to sustainable design projects. Today, design professionals are faced with many challenges when creating both residential and commercial buildings. Shrinking budgets, shorter deadlines, changing demographics, and the need to cater to many users with different needs for a space present major obstacles. Increasingly, design professionals are creating multi-use spaces that can be reconfigured depending on the needs of the user. Designers often need interior systems that can be altered via movable partitions or doors and use systems that are durable, low maintenance, and visually appealing. Managing a work or living space with multiple users and creating a secure area doesn't have to be a heavy-handed design endeavor. Specifying accordion doors, hardwood rolling counter doors, and other entryway products can provide a significant solution to these challenges and benefit the design professional, building occupant, and owner. Throughout this presentation, we will examine many types of doors, including accordion doors and hardwood rolling counter doors. Each type of door offers numerous benefits for different applications ranging from schools, hospitality projects, healthcare facilities, office buildings, food service areas, all the way to residential projects, concession stands, airports, churches, and public spaces. A door's primary purpose is to provide privacy or security by controlling access to a space. Ideally, a door should be visually appealing, easy to maintain, sustainably made, and last for decades. Over their lifespans, commercial buildings may have to accommodate different changes for different user groups. New construction projects as well as existing buildings can benefit from versatile spaces that can accommodate many different activities. Designers should consider designing a space to maximize the possibilities of change so that the space can adapt and remain valuable throughout its lifespan. Accordion doors provide an effective and economical way to adapt a space for the needs of various users. Accordion doors can help influence a space and its functions through size, shape, and quality. Accordion doors can be used to contain certain functions and activities. Spaces may also need to be altered and change shapes. For example, a senior living center may need to divide a room from a rectangular shape to a smaller square shape for occupants to hold a meeting. In addition, occupants may need to control the quality of a given space. Acoustics, lighting, ventilation, etc. can be modified by the use of accordion doors. Linking and delinking spaces by using accordion doors can also increase versatility. Accordion doors can also be used to control heat and AC, therefore helping save energy. Both security and acoustic accordion doors offer design professionals a range of options for multiple applications. These include urban multifamily housing, senior living, healthcare, hospitality, churches, funeral, government, public spaces. Privacy. The example shown is a tanning salon where privacy is an absolute requirement. data centers, residential. Two primary benefits of using accordion doors are security and acoustics. Security is resilience against potential harm to people, objects, or spaces. Building owners and facility managers need to be aware of vulnerabilities within their property. This is an image of a TSA area in Miami Airport installed late 2019. Theft and trespassing are two security threats that many owners have to deal with. According to the research and analysis of Group Statista, there were over 5.2 million cases of theft in 2018. Average theft for non-residential buildings was around $3,000. Retail businesses, storefronts, kiosks, medical facilities, schools, airports, and other types of buildings are all potential targets for theft and trespassing. Controlling access to certain areas through the use of accordion doors can provide security and comfort to owners and occupants. Accordion doors can quickly close off an area not in use. For example, aluminum accordion doors can be used for mall storefronts, hotel gift shops, storage spaces in convention centers, senior living centers, and nursing stations to provide an elegant yet dependable security tool. Accordion doors with steel hardware hinge systems and perforated aluminum panels with various metal finishes can provide privacy and security for a storefront, IT room in an office, or lobby area. Accordion doors can lock up a space quickly and effectively, and they require little to no maintenance for years to come. Security doesn't have to be unsightly. In fact, security can be stylish. Design professionals may consider using opaque and perforated panels for projects. Opaque panels offer privacy and extra deterrence. Perforated partitions are great for rooms that need air exchange while staying locked, such as IT rooms with hot servers and audible alarms. These types of accordion doors are easy to install, easy to clean, and provide sleek-looking folding doors. See-through commercial and retail security doors can reduce noise while also providing a sense of welcome openness. Designers can choose from modern acrylic, hardwood, or vinyl laminate panels in many decorative options to create an inviting entrance to a retail or hospitality setting using accordion doors while maintaining moderate security needs. Let's review specs, options, and technical details for the security accordion doors. Aluminum accordion doors are made from single-piece extruded aluminum body panels for extra strength and use hardware hinge systems featuring rigid vinyl and steel rod construction. Design professionals can choose from bronze, white, tan, black, gold, or clear finishes with color-coordinated panel connectors. There are several installation options, including curvable track and other locks and latches to make a room secure. Designers should consider using doors that have the following attributes: doors suspended on nylon wheels with steel ball bearings, aluminum jam moldings for extra durability, top and bottom plated steel hardware system, aluminum overhead track, aluminum posts, and locking systems. All of these components ensure a durable system that requires low maintenance and will last for decades. Good acoustics aren't an extravagance, they are a necessity. Acoustics can affect building occupants' well-being, worker productivity, and the market value of properties. Good acoustical design manages how sound is transmitted and controlled within a building. Acoustic accordion doors can reduce distracting noises and also help control a room's temperature. Acoustic partitions are cost-effective solutions for offices, restaurants, churches, daycares, senior living centers, and other spaces that require privacy and noise reduction. The acoustics in a building are sometimes given low priority because of limited budgets and conflicting project goals. Poor acoustics can affect offices, classrooms, conference rooms, medical rooms, and other work and living spaces. Often distracting sounds enter from outside the building, from adjacent spaces, or within the space itself. Partitions in offices and classrooms can help mitigate sound issues in adjacent rooms. Sound Transmission Class, STC, is an integer rating of how well a building partition attenuates airborne sound. It is widely used to rate interior partitions, ceilings and floors, doors, windows, and exterior walls. Accordion doors with STC ratings in the 30s can help reduce loud talking and sounds from nearby spaces. STC ratings in the 30s are when occupants can hear normal speech, but it is unintelligible. Designers should be aware of the difference between STC and FSTC. STC is measured in a laboratory under specific controlled conditions for sound and construction. However, these conditions are rarely achieved in real-world interior building construction, as normal space often contains many wall and ceiling penetrations and other openings. FSTC measurements can be 6 to 10 points lower than the laboratory published STC value, but be better in installed performance by the same number. Ultimately, it is critical to not look at laboratory STC values, but to also understand their real limitations. The technical specs and assembly of acoustic accordion doors are important for design professionals to evaluate. The ideal acoustic accordion door will have the following attributes: acoustical accordion door rating up to FST 33, rigid double panel style with panels connected continuously along top and bottom by a steel hardware hinging to ensure durability, continuous vinyl sweeps attached to both top and bottom of all doors reduce heat loss and air exchange. Acoustical liners are applied to both interior faces in a configuration to create individual sound-absorbing chambers. The door should be suspended from aluminum extruded overhead track with a wood ceiling guard to provide ease of use. The acoustic accordion door can be tailored to meet exact specifications, including size, latches, and finish. Design professionals can choose from a variety of attractive hardwood and vinyl lamp finishes for this double-sided door. There are several accordion doors that meet various ADA compliance guidelines. Design professionals should take note that several doors are manufactured that meet ADA compliance for opening load force per ADA BOMA section 4.1311. Certain ADA applications may call for specific handle location placement, which should be specified when the door is ordered. Hospitals, senior living centers, and other spaces can be fitted with the ADA-compliant accordion doors to increase accessibility and the well-being of occupants. If we refer to the ADA 2010 Standards of Accessible Design 404.2.9, Door and Gate Opening Force, interior hinged doors and gates shall have 5 pounds maximum force, and sliding or folding doors shall have 5 pounds maximum force. The maximum force pertains to the continuous application of force necessary to fully open a door, not the initial force needed to overcome the inertia of the door. It does not apply to the force required to retract bolts or to disengage other devices used to keep the door in a closed position. Accordion doors are excellent resources for accessibility projects since they rely on single-handed operation and there's no need for a caregiver. The doors are ideal for bathrooms and closets due to the ease of operation and use. Here are some installation considerations for accordion doors. Maximum manufactured height is typically 12 feet. maximum single-length sections of 30 lineal feet, and multiple runs utilize a spacer post for ease of operation. Door hanging weight averages: 8 feet high, 13 pounds per lineal foot; 10 feet high, 16 pounds per lineal foot; 12 feet high, 20 pounds per lineal foot. No floor track required. The benefits of no track are ease of floor laying, ADA compliance, and less maintenance and cleaning issues. Also, the movement of furniture for a space such as a hotel meeting room is made easier. Food trolleys, media equipment, and other gear can be moved without having to worry about a track. These considerations may be important for contractors and subs to be aware of. Accordion doors offer several aesthetic options for design professionals. Depending on the application and whether the need is security or acoustics, the doors are available in the following options. Natural hardwood veneers. These include alder, birch, cherry, mahogany, maple, oak, and walnut. The hardwood veneers are laminated to an engineered core for stability. Clear finish is standard, and custom stained finishes are available. Vinyl laminated wood grains. Incredibly realistic-looking vinyl lam wood grain finishes can provide a variety of color selections and species. They include birch, maple, natural oak, light oak, dark oak, cherry, teak, mahogany, and walnut. Multi-textured vinyl panels. These colors complement modern interiors. Acrylic panels. These are 3 millimeters thick and offered in transparent clear or bronze. Aluminum panels. These are 2 millimeters thick and available in bronze, silver, and gold. According to the U.S. Energy Information Administration, 26% of the commercial buildings in the country were built before 1960. This includes healthcare, hotels, and retail projects. A growing population, different demographics, standards of living, and the needs of current building occupants have changed dramatically over the past decades. Owners of older buildings are having to adapt to the times and incorporate more flexible design into their properties. Workspaces may need to adapt from an open office design to smaller private spaces and vice versa. Commercial property owners need to be able to alter existing workspaces effectively and economically. Accordion doors can help design professionals, contractors, and owners meet these new demands. A recent trend in construction is multifamily micro-units. Building occupants may sleep on hideaway beds and work at wall unit desks. Most of the square footage in these multifamily units is dedicated to communal spaces such as kitchens, living rooms, and social areas. Accordion doors can provide design solutions to create flexible living and workspaces. They can fulfill security and acoustic requirements effectively. Remodeling a building for adaptive reuse can be expensive. Therefore, design professionals should consider cost-effective solutions, such as accordion doors, to assist them with flexible design options. The next type of door we will discuss are rolling counter doors, also known as overhead coiling doors and roll-up doors. Rolling counter doors offer an elegant way to secure and divide a space. They can often be seen at concession kiosks, school cafeteria windows, hospitality reception areas, and financial institutions. Rolling counter doors can integrate with existing millwork, decor, and style of a room. The Door and Access Systems Manufacturers Association, DASMA, defines a rolling counter door as a non-fire rated door assembly used in walls where the primary purpose of the opening is for non-pedestrian use, such as counter service for food, a pharmaceutical dispensary, package and baggage transfer, or observation points. Rolling counter doors are for use in commercial, retail, corporate, and professional applications, including concession kiosks, school cafeteria serving windows, airport kiosks, sports stadiums concessions, hospitality reception areas, hospital reception areas, financial institutions, sporting facilities such as golf clubs, food service areas, government service desks, high-end residential, and universities. Rolling counter doors are ideal for food prep areas. The doors help maintain hygiene by separating the food prep area. Rolling counter doors can help control an area by separating the serving and dining area. There are very few companies that manufacture hardwood roll-up doors due to the craftsmanship involved. In this age of industrialized factories and automated assembly lines, hand-built products made by real people are hard to find. Some manufacturers sacrifice craftsmanship for expediency. Design professionals should consider rolling counter doors that are crafted with care and passion. In a world where many products degrade quickly and are disposable, well-made rolling counter doors can last the life of a building and add great value to a project. Craftsmanship refers to a product that has been created by someone highly skilled. In this day of automated factories, products made by hand are becoming more and more rare. Craftsmanship is a set of principles that produces products that are not only functional, they are also beautiful. Craftsmanship is motivated by mastery and passion. It is critical that the doors that design professionals select are of high-quality materials and created by skilled workers. There are inexpensive accordion doors that can be bought at Home Depot and other construction supply stores. These bargain basement doors may work for a kid's closet or craft room, but certainly would not be suitable for an application requiring professional acoustic or security needs. Most of these commonplace doors are manufactured from PVC panels in production shops overseas. Design professionals who insist on high-quality, durable doors should consider specifying handcrafted doors made in the United States. Roll-up doors are manufactured from durable hardwoods that include northern oak, eastern maple, natural birch, African mahogany, American cherry, white oak, and walnut. These doors are made from solid wood. In addition, a multitude of finishes, stains, or paints can be applied to the roll-up doors to meet project requirements. Clear finish is standard, however custom finishes are available. In addition, FSC certified wood species are available for sustainability-related projects. Roll-up doors are individually finished, tested, and fully assembled before shipping. Rolling counter doors can be operated via manual, crank, or motorized operation. The doors are attached to the wood guide rails, which are part of the door package and require support from vertical walls. Design professionals can choose from a variety of latches, including slide bolts, thumb turns, or key lock style deadbolts. Thumb turns and key locks are surface mounted, with the deadbolt portion mounted internally in the bottom bar. Slide bolts are surface mounted. The rolling counter doors are easy to operate. They use a unique torsion spring system that allows for smooth, effortless operation. There are stainless steel tensioning cables to provide consistency in operation. For doors installed on openings in excess of 45 square feet, most manufacturers will require a motor or hand crank. There are several mounting options, which include inside mount, outside mount, between wall on face of lintel, between wall without lintel. The specifications for the rolling counter door are maximum width of 14 feet, maximum height of 11 feet, maximum weight is approximately 8 pounds per square foot. Springs are selected to achieve 40,000 to 60,000 cycles of operation. There are several considerations design professionals need to consider with rolling counter doors. They include: design professionals must decide on mode of operation, manual, crank, or motor, prior to manufacture. Access considerations prior to final design for future service access and maintenance. Price. Aesthetics. Materials: oak, maple, birch, mahogany, or cherry. Sustainability options: FSC wood and environmentally friendly paints and stains. Custom stains or paints. Sustainability is a significant focus for many AEC firms. There are offices, schools, hotels, convention centers, and other projects that are being certified for LEED, WELL, the Living Building Challenge, and other green building rating systems. Healthy building materials and materials that cause little to no harm to the environment are preferred by many design professionals. Wood is recognized as a significant sustainable material because it is renewable. Wood can be locally sourced, weigh less than other materials, which reduce costs and energy for transport, and can provide positive outcomes for carbon emissions and water quality. Rolling counter doors can help contribute to LEED v4 and LEED v4.1 projects under the LEED credit Building Product Disclosure and Optimization, Sourcing of Raw Materials. The intent of this LEED credit is to encourage the use of products and materials for which life cycle information is available and that have environmentally, economically, and socially preferable life cycle impacts, to reward project teams for selecting products verified to have been extracted or sourced in a responsible manner. LEED project teams can contribute points by using manufacturers that meet the USGBC's responsible sourcing extraction criteria. Rolling counter doors using FSC certified wood can contribute under the wood products criteria for the credit. The credit criteria states wood products must be certified by the Forest Stewardship Council or by USGBC approved equivalent. Products meeting wood products criteria are valued at 100% of their cost for the purposes of credit achievement calculation. For more detailed information about this LEED credit, we recommend the LEED V4 Reference Guide and USGBC website. In addition to contributing to LEED projects, rolling counter doors offer even more sustainable benefits to projects. Factory clear coat finishes for rolling counter doors are designated by Sherwin-Williams as GreenSure products. GreenSure is a designation applied to a line of paints and coating products that indicates that they were designed and manufactured taking steps to reduce environmental impact and to meet or exceed stringent regulatory requirements. GreenSure addresses VOC limits, aromatic content limits, chemical component restrictions, for instance excluded ingredients such as benzene and formaldehyde, and meets standards for stain removal, opacity, and abrasion resistance. In addition, Benjamin Moore colors and finishes are available for design professionals to choose from. The final selection of doors we will review are space-saving doors. These doors may provide an alternative to accordion and rolling counter doors for certain applications. Pocket door. This is a sliding door that, when fully open, disappears into a compartment in the adjacent wall. One downside to pocket doors is hidden parts and hardware, which can make them difficult to replace or repair when something goes wrong. Fixing the problem might require removing the door and trim and opening up the wall. Barn door. They can serve a function, especially when a conventional door won't fit in a space. They hang from a track outside the room. Downsides may include auditory issues, including less sound dampening and the movement of the door on the tracks. Bifold door. These often serve as closet or pantry doors. The door opens by folding back in two sections. They can create privacy and be made from a variety of materials. Downsides include sometimes difficult installation procedures. Shoji door. Shoji is traditional Japanese screen sliding door partition made of wooden frame and paper. It's been used in lieu of walls in Japanese rooms for hundreds of years. They can suffer from the same issues as pocket doors, like fixing hidden parts and hardware. Some shoji doors are also fragile due to being made of translucent paper. Sliding door. Sliding doors are common in homes. They create the illusion of a bigger space by bringing in more sunlight to the room. However, cons can include being able to only open one side at a time, and security issues of the doors are made of glass. Overhead door. Overhead doors provide designers with a durable, long-lasting option. One of the only major downsides is the price and maintenance if the door is exposed to the elements like snow, ice, and rain. We will now review case studies that illustrate the use of accordion doors and rolling counter doors. We will outline project challenges and how design professionals used these doors to solve issues and result in a positive outcome. This is a healthcare emergency room. The management of the hospital wanted to improve its existing emergency room by increasing privacy for patients and making the workspace more flexible and efficient. The solution was the addition of a sleek, easily cleanable aluminum door which creates two much-needed trauma rooms, each providing patients with an enhanced level of privacy during emergency treatments. Another application for aluminum accordion doors in healthcare facilities is in so-called self-harm prevention rooms. These rooms are for patients brought into a facility who are mentally unstable. Aluminum accordion doors have become a popular and effective design solution in these rooms since they have no hanging parts, are not trapping, and take just seconds to close an area. This is an example of a telecom IT room. Due to increased security concerns, a company needed a way to protect its computer and telecommunications equipment without causing problems with heat buildup. The project team decided that by specifying aluminum security doors with perforated aluminum, the company is now able to ensure lockable security and also provide the ventilation needed to keep equipment running trouble-free. Accordion doors can help save space in a data center and allow more room for the server area. The doors are lockable and provide an effective approach to security but also allow ventilation to take place, increasing energy savings and helping with the HVAC duties. With only a 4.5-inch wide footprint, the ability to add more server racks multiplies through the building. This is a residential garage. It was a classic parental dilemma, how to give the kids access to the garage for hobbies and play but keep them away from Dad's next most precious possession, his classic Ferrari. The design team chose an accordion door that now serves to divide the family garage into two distinct zones. Kids and pets have full run of one half, while Dad's expensive toy is safely sheltered in the other. This is a restaurant in a large mall. The owners wanted to create a feeling of total flow to maximize foot traffic and ease of access. The accordion doors were positioned to swing and store over the existing facade brickwork when open. By installing clear acrylic accordion doors with secure hinges, the business shows itself off to customers even when closed. New lockable, secure accordion doors were matched to the bar's existing metro chic look to create style, visibility, and a feeling of space. Here's a mall storefront. The owners wanted to provide security after hours and not be a victim of theft. However, they wanted to allow shoppers the ability to see their products regardless of store hours. Visual appeal was a key focus. The project team specified security accordion doors with acrylic see-through panels. The doors offer an unobstructed view of what's inside while assuring protection. This is TSA at Miami Airport that has security accordion doors installed in late 2019. Passenger screening at the airport is part of TSA's layered approach to security to get you safely to your destination. TSA's screening procedures are intended to prevent prohibited items and other threats to transportation security from entering the sterile area of the airport and are developed in response to information on threats to transportation security. TSA needed security at Miami Airport, but also visibility. The doors allow TSA to see through an area while keeping trespassers at bay. The accordion security doors help control the flow of people in the area without a heavy-handed and unsightly approach. This is a government records office. The municipal office needed to restrict access to valuable records and documents, but preferred to avoid the typical cold, uninviting security grate. The design team created a unique rolling counter door that would accommodate a multi-level counter and richly finished the wood to complement the millwork on site. Interior key locks ensure protection of the office's records. The school needed extra space and divided a common area into 3 very usable spaces. Using accordion doors with a minimal footprint and ease of installation, coupled with no floor threshold, the new usable space was just what the teachers needed. Harley-Davidson, Maine, Florida dealership needed to have flexibility for dealer training and also customer product release days. With the addition of die-cut logos, which could have been applied to the doors, the whole area can be multifunctional space, yet still retaining the corporate message. As we have seen throughout this presentation, accordion doors, rolling counter doors, and space-saving doors can offer many benefits and solutions for projects. Design professionals have many options to integrate door solutions that provide security, sound control, space-saving features, durability, low maintenance, sustainability, and elegant and beautiful handcrafted designs. From acoustics to light security, accordion doors can help project teams meet their goals for commercial and residential projects. Rolling counter doors handcrafted in America from local hardwoods can elevate any project from the mundane to a sleek and secure project that every owner would be proud of. After today's presentation, participants should be able to discuss how to integrate accordion doors as space management tools for residential and commercial projects and how they can benefit building occupants. Describe how accordion doors and hardwood rolling counter doors can help design professionals create a secure and elegant workspace. Review door options for space management, ADA compliance, durability, and aesthetic appeal for building occupants and owners. Explain how doors using FSC certified wood may contribute to LEED v4 and how doors can contribute to sustainable design projects. This now concludes our presentation. Thank you for your time today.